Hi, my name's Kat Canfan, and my friend Brooke Moss and I wanted to create a new way to search YouTube, but not the tools you already have access to, like titles and descriptions. Instead, we want you to be able to search YouTube videos by the words said inside the video. But why is this important? Well, first of all, sometimes you know exactly what you're trying to find, but you can't remember the title, especially for videos you've already watched. Now, the issue with traditional YouTube search is that titles don't always give you the full picture. Sometimes there's clickbait, sometimes it only covers part of the topics covered in a video. Other times, creators have a lot of content, and titles can be kind of similar, and content can even be kind of similar, so you don't remember exactly the title, but you do know what you're trying to find. And another issue is that descriptions aren't often very descriptive. A lot of them are promotional material and links and even just copied and pasted from all of a creator's other videos. Now, you might be thinking, okay, that's pretty cool, but does it work? Spoiler, it does, and I'm about to show you. So I have the program ready to run in Terminal right here. So if I go ahead and run this command, I can search any of the channels I already have downloaded. So I've downloaded some channels in preparation just to show you how it works. But if you wanted to download any channel on YouTube, it's as easy as just typing in the channel name right here in the prompt, and it will download it for you, and then search. Let's see. Let's do my channel right now, for simplicity's sake. And then we press enter, and we can search for keywords or even phrases on a channel. So for testing purposes, I will search the word test. And it searches very quickly. And you can see that I say test 6 times in Paper Roller Coaster tutorial, so it's ranked first. And I can click and watch the YouTube video from Terminal, which is pretty cool. And then you can see the less times I say it, the lower it ranks. So yes, I'd like to search again. So I'm going to search the same channel. And this time I'm going to say test in all capital letters. What happens? I get the exact same results, because when you search for a string, it actually searches variations of that string, including all capital letters and all lowercase letters in title case. So yes, I'd like to search again. This time I'll search Mark Roper, who is a popular engineer on YouTube. So we want to find a video where he talks about engineering, and as you see, there's quite a few of those, especially some of his more popular videos. So even on channels with a lot of content, like Mark Rober, you still get pretty fast results, even though there are a lot of videos. And you can watch them right here from Terminal. So we'll say that we don't want to search again, and that will end the program. Okay, so we've decided to structure our code with the MVC architecture, which means that we have a model class, a view class, and a controller class. So for the user, everything starts and ends, really, with the view class. So it displays all of the text that the user sees in Terminal, and it also processes all of the user input and sends it back to controller. Now, that input is just what channel the user would like to search, and the keyword or words that the user wants to search for. So view feeds that input into controller, and controller feeds that into model. So model is really the meat of the program. It organizes all the files, it downloads things from the API, it reads files that have already been downloaded, and then it searches through everything with the keywords and returns the results. And then it sends those results back to controller, and controller sends it back to view, and then view shows it to the user. So it all comes around full circle. So we had a few key takeaways for this project, but probably most significantly that even basic search algorithms are pretty powerful with modern computers. We pretty much only use a substring search and a few variations upon that, but our search algorithm is actually pretty basic, but it's so lightning fast, as you can see in the demonstration. So we don't even need a very complicated search algorithm to get meaningful results. We also discovered that there are a few different ways you can approach model view controller architecture. We decided to use a controller as the base class that controls the model and view classes, but you don't always have to do it this way. The model and view classes can interact with each other, or some people use the controller class for user input, whereas we used view because it's just part of Terminal. So the way in which these 3 classes take on different responsibilities and work with each other is part of the design process, which we thought was really interesting, and the way we implemented it works really well for our project, but for different projects, it works really well to do it different ways. All right, that's all I have for you. Thank you for watching.